Hello, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new Unity game template that I've made for you for free. I call it a top-down zombie shooting game. Let's play the game. You have this player and you have the player controller. You can move the player by using this joystick, and here is the fire button. There are zombies. You have to shoot them. If you can kill one zombie, you will get a score. 100 score. You have to run away and survive. You need to kill them as much as you can. And if a zombie reaches you, you will be dead. It's game over. You can click this play again button to play it again. This character in this game is free character. I have downloaded it from Turbo Squid. They are here, and it has animations, and also this army character here, it is free downloaded from Turbo Squid. So you can replace your own characters, and also this gun rifle, you need to place your own rifle to replace this block. The download link, I will put it on the description of this video. It is here. To download it, make sure you don't click this button because it is free package, it is free product. You need to add it to cart, then you need to log in to continue the purchase. After you are adding it to the cart, you can view the cart and just click checkout. Let me remove this one. It is free to download. Please just click proceed to checkout and you will get the download link. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please hit that subscribe and like buttons, and thank you. Bye bye.